Hello dear children, welcome to the maths class. Now last day we have seen about linear equations in two variables. We have just given an introduction of linear equations in two variables. What's a general form for a linear equation in two variables? It is ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b are coefficients of x and y. One more condition, a and b not equal to 0. So the general form is ax plus by plus c. Also we have seen that solution for an equation. What is solution for an equation? It is a value of the variable which makes the left hand side and right hand side of the equation equal. That is a solution. Now we have seen that the solution for a linear equation in one variable. How many solutions do we have? We have only a unique solution. One and only one solution. That is, only one value of the variable satisfies the equation. But we have seen that for a linear equation in two variables, there are infinitely many solutions. Why do we say that there are infinitely many solutions? Because for every value of x you give, you get a value for y. Same way, for every value of y you give, you get a value for x. So there are infinitely many solutions for a linear equation in two variables. So today we will be learning how to find solutions for a linear equation. Now as we are having two variables, that is x and y, we are getting values for x and y. So always the solution is written as a ordered pair. We have learned as in coordinate geometry how we are writing the coordinates. It is always written as a ordered pair, with x written first and y written second. So it is written as x comma y. The same way the solution for a linear equation two variables will also be written as a ordered pair, x comma y. Is that clear? So let us take one example and try to find out the solution. Let us see how we are going to find a solution. Suppose we have an equation, say linear equation in two variables, x plus y equals 10. Now I am going to find out the solutions for this equation. Now always it is better that you write one variable in terms of the other. That is, from the equation always try to find a relation between the variables. You write one variable in terms of the other so that your calculation will become easier. Please don't go for directly finding out x is so much plus y is so much, so when will you get 10? No. Please don't go for that way. Always write one variable in terms of the other. That is, you find a relation between the variables. Then it will be easy for us to do the calculations. So either you can write x in terms of y or y in terms of x. So here I am going to write x in terms of y. So I am going to write x as x is equal to 10 and taking this y to the other side, transposing. So what does this y become? Minus y. So it is 10 minus y. So you got a relation between x and y. What is the relation? X is equal to 10 minus y. Now you go on giving values for y, you will get value for x. Is it clear? So we will write when y is equal to 0. Let us start with 0. So when the value of y is equal to 0, let us try to find out what is the value of x. So what will x become? X equals 10 minus, in place of y you will be substituting this value. What is the value here? 0. 10 minus 0 is equal to 10. So what is one of the solutions? Because it has got infinitely many solutions. What is one of the solutions for this given equation? X comma 0. It is written as an ordered pair, x comma 0. So it will be 10 comma 0. This is one solution. One more solution let us find out. Say when y equals minus 1. When y is minus 1, what is the value for x? So x will be equal to, this relation below, x is 10 minus y. But what is y here? Minus 1. So 10 minus minus 1. 10 minus minus 1 means 10 plus 1. It is 11. So what is the solution for this? One more solution for this. X comma y. So 11 comma minus 1. This is another one solution. Like this, for every value of y you give, you get a value for x. So you can get infinitely many solutions. Now suppose you want to write y in terms of x. Then how will you write this equation as x plus y equals 10? If you want to write y in terms of x, this will be written as y equals, what is happening here? X will go to the other side. So this will be 10 minus x. Now which one you are going to give values? You will give values for x and then find values for y. So this is how you are finding the solutions for a given linear equation in two variables. One more example we will see. Suppose you have a linear equation like this. It's not in the standard form, but still it is a linear equation. So 2x plus 3y equals 15. This is a equation given. Now you are asked to find out, say, 4 solutions for this. Limited. The number is limited. You can find infinitely, but I am limiting it to just finding 4 solutions. So what you will do first? You will write the x in terms of y or y in terms of x. That depends upon your choice. You can choose any one. So here I am going to write x in terms of y. So what I am going to do? 2x. 2x will be equal to 15. Take the 3y to the other side minus 3y. This is 2x. What am I going to find out? X. So x will be equal to what? 15 minus 3y, the whole divided by 2. It is not 15 by 2, nor it is 3 by 2. 15 minus 3y by 2. Now what you are going to do? You will be assigning values for y. Substitute that value of y here and get the value for x. So let us try finding out the values for x by putting values for y. So first case, let us put when y is equal to 0. When y is 0, what is the value for x? X will be equal to 15 minus 3 into 0. Value of y is given as 0. The whole divided by 2. So this will be 3 into 0 is 0. 15 minus 0, 15. 15 by 2. So it doesn't matter whether it is a fraction, decimal or anything. Why? Because it is a real number. So don't think when you are getting a fraction, oh no, it is a fraction, the answer is completely wrong. No, this is a solution. 15 by 2, if you take it as a decimal, it becomes 7.5. So that doesn't matter. So here, what is a solution? And you write it as an ordered pair, it will be 15 by 2, comma 0. One solution. Second one, when y equals 1. Let us see. So x will be equal to what? 15 minus 3 into 1. Instead of y, you are putting it as 1. The whole divided by 2. This will be equal to 15 minus 3 into 1 is 3. So 15 minus 3, 12 by 2 is equal to 6. So what is the ordered pair solution? X is 6, y is 1. Another one. When y is equal to minus 1. When y is minus 1, x will be equal to 15 minus 3 into minus 1, the whole divided by 2. This will be 15. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Minus of minus will be plus 3 by 2. So 15 plus 3, 18 by 2 or 9. So what is the solution? 9 comma minus 1. This is another one solution. Now one more solution, because I have asked you to find 4 solutions. When y is equal to, say, 2. Let's take y equals 2. Then what is the value of x? X will be 15 minus 3 into 2, the whole divided by 2. 3 into 2 is 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. So 9 by 2. So what is the solution? 9 by 2 comma 2. So these are the 4 solutions for the given linear equation in 2 variables. So understood how to find the solution? Always it is better that you write first one variable in terms of the other and then find the solution. Look at this question here. You are having a linear equation, say x minus y is equal to 2. And the question is, one solution is given here, 2, 0, or an ordered pair is given, you have to find out whether this is a solution for this given equation. To find whether 2, 0 is a solution for the given equation x minus y equals 2. Now how you are going to do it? Now 2, 0, what does that tell you? It tells that 2 is a value for the variable x and 0 is a value for the variable y. So what are you going to do? You are having the values for x and y already given for us. Just substitute that in this equation. See whether it is equal to the right hand side. You substitute in the variable here, that is on the left hand side. See whether both left hand side and right hand side are the same. So let us try doing it. So x value is 2. So instead of x you are putting 2 minus y value 0. 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2, which is equal to the right hand side 2. That means both left hand side and right hand side are equal, which means 2, 0 is a solution for this given linear equation. Is it clear? Suppose I give a question 1, 2. Is 1, 2 a solution for this? So what you will do? In place of x you will put 1 and in place of y you will put 2. So what does this become? The left hand side becomes, instead of x you will be putting 1 and instead of y you will be putting 2. 1 minus 2. What is 1 minus 2? This is equal to minus 1. Is it equal to 2? No, it is not equal to 2. So left hand side and right hand side are not equal, which means 1, 2 is not a solution for this given linear equation. So understood, to find whether a given ordered pair is a solution for the given linear equation in two variables. Now I got a question here, just see. Find value of a. So again one more variable we are having. Find value of a such that x equals 1 and y equals 1 is a solution of the equation 3x plus ay equals 6. That means you are having a linear equation in two variables 3x plus ay equals 6. It is given that x equals 1 and y equals 1 is a solution of this. Two things are given for us. This is the equation and this is one of the solutions. That is x value is 1 when x value is 1 and when y value is 1. When you substitute over here, both sides becomes equal. That means it is a solution. If so, what is the value of this a? That is a question. Now how you are going to do this? It's already given for us. Value of x is 1 and value of y is 1. That is, the solutions are 1, 1. So what you will do here? Instead of x and y's, you will substitute those values given because it is a solution. So substituting x equals 1 and y equals 1 in this equation, what do you get? 3x becomes 3 into 1 plus a into, instead of y you will be putting 1. A into 1 equals 6. So 3 into 1 is 3 plus a into 1 is a equals 6. Now can't you find out what is the value of a? A will be equal to 6. Transpose 3 to the other side. 6 minus 3 or a equals 3. So such type of questions also you may get. That is, you will be given a linear equation, you will be also given its solution. But in that linear equation, you will be having one more variable. You are asked to find the value of that particular variable. So there what you are doing, you are substituting the values of the x and y variables. That is the solution you are substituting in the equation. And you are going to find the unknown variable. So is it clear for you? So we have learned how to find the solution of linear equations. There are infinitely many solutions. How to find the solutions we have found out. We have also found out, given an ordered pair, whether it is a solution. Also given a linear equation and solution to find the value of the unknown variable in the linear equation. Thank you, children.